shuttle satellite into space. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sumita from class 3. We are DPS Jagdalpur. Today I am doing an experiment on air pressure. To do this experiment, you need a glass filled with water and an index card. Put the index card on it and slightly press it. Then turn it. Then remove your hand. From the air pressure, the card didn't fall down. It means air has pressure, that's why it didn't fall down. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Atish Pandey. I study in class 3. I am showing here the solar system. The solar system is made up of the sun and the 8 planets. The planets are huge round objects which moves around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. First planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet to Sun. Second planet is Venus. Venus is the brightest as well as the hottest planet in our solar system. Third planet is our Earth. Earth is only planet where life is known to exist. Fourth planet is Mars. Mars is known as the red planet because of its red color. The fifth planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Sixth planet is Saturn. Saturn is the lightest among all the planets and has a ring around it. Seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Last and the farthest planet from the Sun is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and it is in blue color. Thank you.
My name is Swastika Hill. I read in class 3. Today I am going to demonstrate my model of hydraulic crane. It works on hydraulic systems. When the pressure is applied on the body of a fluid, a force is transmitted equally in all the directions. I prepared this by assembling 174 numbers of wooden sheets, 6 numbers of plastic syringes, 3 numbers of plastic tubes, and rubber bands. Water filled in the syringe is used for the hydraulic actions of the crane. It can move in 2 directions, vertical and horizontal. It can also grab and release objects. Let us see how it works. This is an object to be lifted. Grab, lift, turn and release. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Advika Dahate from class 3rd DPS Jagdalpur. Today I will show you how to save soil. So I have 3 bottles in which I have kept same type of soil. And in this I have kept only soil. In this I have kept dry leaves with soil. And in this I have planted some plants. And now I am going to pour water. little bit, and this is clean. So it proves that plants save soil from soil erosion. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bedi. I am in class 3. Today my topic is states of matter from a science education project. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. There are 3 different states of matter. This is ice. It is a solid form. Things have a shape, size and occupy fixed space. Is called solid. This is our normal water. It is liquid form. Things that do not have a shape and it takes size of a container where it is poured into is called liquid. Finally comes water vapor. This is gas form. Things that do not have a shape, size and do not occupy fixed space is called gas. When we freeze water, we get ice. When liquid turns into solid, it is called freezing. When we heat water, we get water vapor, where liquid turns into gas. It is called evaporation. When we heat ice, we get water, where solid turns into liquid. It is called melting. These explains us different states of water. Ice, solid form, water, liquid form, water vapor, gas form. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Class 3 Jagdalpur. I have made a model for sun and the solar system. The solar system is consisting of sun and the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Sun is the head of the solar system. Sun gives us heat and light to all the planets. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest planet to the sun. Next is Venus. Venus is the brightest and the hottest planet, as it is called the morning star and the evening star. Next is our Earth. Earth is the unique planet in our solar system. Earth has 79% of water and 21% of land. Next is Mars. Mars is known as red planet because it is red in color. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is made of gases. Next is Saturn. Saturn is the lightest planet in our solar system. Saturn has a ring around it. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. Next is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet and the farthest planet from the sun. And it is blue in color. All the planets move around the sun and on its orbit. All the planets and the sun make up our solar system. And solar family too. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is I study in class 3, DPS Jagdalpur. Today I am going to present a science model, the water cycle. The theme of this model describes the continuous movement of water between land, water bodies and air. This is the model of water cycle. Water cycle is also known as hydrological cycle. It involves 4 main processes: evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. Step 1. Due to the sun's heat, water in the water body changes into water vapor by the process evaporation. Step 2. This water vapor rises up in the air and cools down to form water droplets by the process condensation. Step 3. Water droplets join to form bigger drops, which in turn join together to form clouds. When the drops become too heavy to remain in the air, they fall down charged rain due to precipitation. Step 4. Rainwater fills the sea, rivers, ponds and lakes. This whole process is called water cycle. The water cycle is constantly happening all around us each and every day and is an essential part of life. It enables the availability of water for all living organisms and regulates weather pattern on our planet. I hope you found this model interesting and enjoyable. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sabi Arjun Verma from class 3B. Today I am explaining about solar system. The solar system is made up of sun and its 8 planets. The sun is center of the solar system and the 8 planets move around it are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the brightest planet and hottest. Earth is the only planet that have life exists. Mars is known as red planet because of its red color. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn is the lightest planet and have a ring. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavesh Sharma of class 4th B from DPA Jagdalpur. Now I am presenting the model of a washing machine for science exhibition based on the principle of wheel and axle with an electrical circuit. As you can see, this is the wheel and axle with motor. A cylindrical shaped drum is fixed over the wheel. The wheel and axle is run by the motor, which is attached with the circuit comprised of 2 batteries, 2 cords and a switch button. When we will switch on the washing machine by pressing the switch button fixed over the front wall of washing machine, the circuit gets completed and the washing machine will start working. This all is kept inside a cube-shaped cardboard box which makes an outer covering of a washing machine. Now I will show you the assembled and the functional washing machine. This is the lid of the washing machine. I will open it and put some clothes in the washing machine. And then I will close the lid and then I will switch on the button. See, the washing machine is working. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Uditi Singh. Today I am going to do magic balloon experiment. Measure 50 milliliter vinegar in the measuring cylinder and pour it in the test tube. Put the test tube in the mat. Add 1 spoon of baking soda into the balloon with the help of the funnel. Put the funnel in the balloon and put baking soda. Put the balloon in the test tube. Let's give it time to pull the balloon in the test tube. See, it will explode. This is it will witness magic.
Good evening to everyone. Myself is Snigdha from class 4th. Today I am going to explain this water cycle. First, the sun rays fall on the water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, etc. This water rises up in the form of water vapor. This is called evaporation. This water vapor converts into small droplets. These droplets join together and form clouds. These clouds get heavier and give out rain. This is called condensation and fills up the other water bodies. This process of nature is called water cycle. Thank you.
Respected ma'am and all my friends, my name is Pranavi VK. I am from class 4th B. The topic of my model is solar irrigation system. As you all can see, we have solar panel connected to the controller. Controller connected to the pump. Pump has two works. First, it attracts the groundwater and takes to the overhead tank. Overhead tank irrigates the water to the field. The main primary source of energy here is sun. So the sun energy is getting reflected to the solar panel, and the solar panel energy is going to the controller. Controller energy is going to the pump. Pump water is going to the tank, and then the water irrigates to the plants and vegetables. Thank you.
I study in class 4B. My theme is renewable energy. My model name is solar powered water tank. Now I will explain my model. I use solar panel to generate electricity. This electricity goes to motor pump which is placed inside this tank. Now this motor pump runs in solar's electricity and pumps out water in the tank. At last, I want to say that we must use renewable energy in our daily life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavya Panjar. I am studying in class 4th A. My school name is Bedi Public School, Jagdalpur. Today I make a model on expiratory system in the science exhibition, and today I will explain the parts of expiratory system and their function. Let's start. Our first part is kidney. Kidneys are two bean-shaped like structure which acts like filters to remove harmful waste such as excess salts and urine from the blood. Our second part is ureter. Ureter are pair of tubes which carry out the urine from kidneys to the urinary bladder. Our third part is urinary bladder, which stores the urine until it is released from our body. Our fourth part is urethra, which let out the urine from the body and thus out of the body. Fifth, there is a urinary bladder is opening and it's released urine from our body. And thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shinakshi Patel. I study in class 4th B. Today I will say some lines about soil profile. Topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Topsoil. It refers to the uppermost layer of soil in which the plants grow. This layer contains fine particles such as sand and clay. Topsoil is rich in humus, air and water that are required for the growth of plants. Subsoil. It is the middle layer of soil under the topsoil. It contains of broken pieces of rock. It is more compact and contains less air but has water. Subsoil contains very less humus compared to the topsoil, making it less fertile. It is lighter in color than the topsoil. Bedrock. Bedrock. It is the bottom layer of the soil. This layer contains large pieces of rocks and is very hard. The rocks in this layer are unweathered rocks. There is not much water here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Tiwari. I study in class 4th B. Now I am going to present a model about solar system. As you know, our solar system consists of the 8 planets and the sun.
This one is the Sun. It is at the center of the solar system. This is the Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. It is also called the nearest planet from the Sun and the smallest planet. This one is the Venus. It is the second planet from the Sun. It is also called the morning star or evening star. Venus does not have any moon. This one is the Earth, our Earth. It is the only planet where life is known to exist. Most of its surface is covered with water. Earth has only one moon that is revolving around it. And it is a natural satellite. This one is the Mars. Mars has 2 moons. The name of the 2 moons are Phobos and Deimos. Mars is also called a red planet because the soil and the rock on the surface of Mars is red. This one is the Jupiter. It is the fastest spinning planet. Because of its fast spin, the planet pulls the clouds surrounding it. This one is the Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. Saturn has a prominent ring system around it. Saturn has 59 known moons revolving around it. This one is the Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the Sun. Uranus has 27 known moons revolving around it. It is the 3rd largest planet in the solar system. This is the last one, Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun and the 4th largest planet in the solar system. Thank you.
My name is Navya Devangan. I study in class 4. Today I am going to explain my model water cycle. The sun heats the water in seas, rivers, lakes and ponds and changes it into water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. This water vapor rises up in the atmosphere where it condenses and changes into tiny droplets of water. This process is known as condensation. These water droplets join together to form clouds. Inside the clouds, the tiny water droplets join to form bigger drops. When these drops become heavy, they fall on the earth's surface as rain. This process is known as precipitation. This process forms a continuous cycle in nature known as the water cycle. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Singh. My school name is Bedi Public School. I study 4th class. Today I will tell rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of saving rainwater. This process will help prevent influx. Streams love are needed to help implement rainwater. This process will maintain healthy water cycle in our ecosystem. Industries and agriculture sector use the most amounts of fresh water. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Abdullah. I am from class 4. Today I will explain about sedimentation and decantation. For this experiment, we need sand and a glass of water. Now we will take 2 spoons of sand. Now we will mix with water. Now you can see the water is dirty. Now we will wait for some time. Now you can see the sand settle at the bottom. The clean water is above the sand. This is called sedimentation. Now we can proceed for decantation. Now we will take the clean water and pour it with another container. Slowly we are pouring. Now the clean water is separated. This is known as decantation. We have studied about decantation and sedimentation. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jagdalpur. I study in class 4. Today I am going to give you a small demonstration on the topic how day and night cause.
The earth moves its own tilted axis. This movement is called rotation. It takes 24 hours, or you can say a day, to complete one rotation. The part of the earth facing directly to the sun has day, and the part that away from the sun to this time has night. Hence, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Thank you.
My name is Sumita. I study in class 4B. Today I am explaining types of teeth belong to sun's distribution. first incisor, second canines, third premolar, fourth molar. First, these teeth help in cutting and biting of piece of food. Canines. Their teeth help in holding and tearing, help in crushing and grinding in the food. Fourth molar. This teeth help in chewing and grinding in the food. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Bharti Sahu from class 5th Delhi Public School. So, as you all know that the usage of water is increasing day by day and the sources of water is decreasing day by day. So here we can recycle water by using rainwater as well as the house waste water also. So here rainwater and house waste water is collected in an storage tank, and from here it is pumped into filtration tank where it is filtered. After the filtration, it is pumped into hydroelectricity generator, and where hydroelectricity is generated. After the hydroelectricity is generated, water is collected in a storage tank. So this is how it looks like. By this we will get to electricity and recycled water also, and electricity also, which is required for our small needs. Thank you, and don't waste water.
Good morning, my name is Ms.Manisha. I have prepared a model for hydraulic crane. Hydraulic crane works on the principle that any force applied to an incompressible liquid is transmitted to the other end. We can see here 3 syringes and pipes. The principle of hydraulics is used to car braking and construction sites for heavy weights up to hundreds of tons. Thank you.
Morning everyone, I am Aradhya Kagal from class 5th Delhi Public School Jagdalpur. My topic is on rotation of the earth. So this is my project. The earth spins on an imaginary line called axis. It's called rotation. One rotation takes 24 hours and it causes day and night. And when the earth rotates and receives sunlight, so this part of the earth has day, and the half part and the other part has darkness, and it causes night. Thank you.
Myself Anshuman Jha from class 5th DPL. I would like to thank to Bharti ma'am for giving me the chance to express myself in science exhibition. I have selected the topic of solar systems. The solar system is consists of the sun and 8 planets and many moons. The sun is the center part of solar system. The planet revolve around the sun. Its 8 types of planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest planet to the sun. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. Earth is known as blue planet. Mars is also called a red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet of solar system. Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system. It is a ring around it. Uranus is the coldest planet of our solar system. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. The sun is a huge ball of burning gases.